Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Squarespace domain. First, let's clarify the two primary methods for setting up your domain. You can either register a brand new domain directly with Squarespace, which is often included free for the first year with an annual plan. Alternatively, you can connect an existing domain that you already own from a different registrar. Both processes are straightforward, and we will cover each one in detail to ensure your website is live and accessible. Registering a new domain through Squarespace is incredibly simple. Once you have selected your desired domain name, navigate to the Domains panel in your site settings. You will be guided through a few easy steps to finalize the registration. This method offers seamless integration, meaning your domain is automatically connected and managed directly within your Squarespace account, simplifying future updates and support needs significantly. If you already own a domain, connecting it to Squarespace involves updating its DNS settings with your current provider. You will need to log into your domain registrar's account and locate the DNS management section. There, you will update the CNAME record to point to Verify, Squarespace, com, and the records to Squarespace's IP addresses. This process typically takes between 24 and 72 hours to fully propagate across the internet. After connecting your domain, it is crucial to verify that everything is working correctly. Return to your Squarespace Domains panel to check the connection status. It should show as connected. Then, open a web browser and type in your domain name to ensure your site loads properly. Squarespace automatically provides a free SSL certificate, ensuring your site is secure and trustworthy for all visitors, which is a vital step for any online presence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.